Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Navle. I am owner of World Class Dental Clinic. So today I am making this video basically for very simple question, that is what is root canal treatment. Most of the patient ask us exactly what is root canal treatment and why it is required. So basically we'll discuss first the structure of tooth. As I have told you multiple times in our previous videos too, what are the structure of tooth? The outer layer is known as enamel, inside there is a dentin, and below that blood supply and nerve supply of tooth is there, that is known as pulp. So whenever decay occurs, when it is in the first layer of enamel, that time we do only filling. When it is approaches to the second layer and initial stages, we do only filling. When it is approaches deeper near the pulp or involves the pulp, that time patient complains of severe pain, the pain which doesn't allow them to sleep. That time we go for root canal treatment. So that is required in cases where patient have neglected cavity for longer duration and it has approached towards the pulp, so we don't have any option of doing filling, right? Suppose we are doing filling in that part where pulp is already exposed, patient will have severe pain, the pain which they can't even bear. So for that reason we have to go root canal treatment. Now exactly what is the root canal treatment? So tooth, as we have divided into three parts, outer layer is enamel, inside there is a dentin, and below that there is a pulp supply. But we all know this is the crown part of the tooth, and below that there are the roots of the tooth. So what we do, those roots have canals, very small thin canals, where this pulp's blood supply and nerve supply comes from. So basically all teeth are supplied by one bigger artery, okay, and one bigger nerve. So all the extension of those arteries and nerve go inside the tooth with the help of very small aperture, okay, that we called as apex of the tooth. Through that it comes inside the tooth. Once it comes inside the tooth, it enlarges like this and they form a cluster near the chamber of the tooth, that is known as pulp, okay. So pulp has its extension into the canals. Those canals are located inside the roots. That's why the treatment is known as root canal treatment. So it is very basic thing, okay. So what we are exactly doing in root canal treatment, we try to take out the blood supply and nerve supply of the tooth in a such a way that patient won't feel any type of pain. How we do that? By giving local anesthesia. When we provide a local anesthesia to the patient, that time they don't feel anything. It is like we are making the part numb, and after that we are opening the tooth. First we go into the enamel, then we dig into the dentin, and then we go into the pulp chamber. Once we reaches to the pulp chamber, we try to take out that pulp with the help of small instrument. You must have seen needle like instrument, okay. With help of that we try to take out all the blood supply, nerve supply of the tooth. Once we remove that, after that we wash the surface inside, that is the chamber as well as the canals. We clear all the teeth surface as well as the root part of the tooth. Then what is next? We try to shape the canals. Why we need to shape those? So that by doing that we are avoiding extra risk of keeping some small nerves inside the canals of the teeth. So we try to take out that, and again we widen the canals little bit, so that we get enough space to feel the material, that is bioinert material known as gutta percha. Once we shapen the canals properly, so that there should not be any obstruction while filling those canals with the gutta percha, we usually ask patients. So once we fill those canals with the gutta percha, after that we do the temporary filling. Why we do the temporary filling? So that patient will get used to it and will also get idea about it, whether the root canal is done perfectly. We usually ask patient to wait for 2 days or 3 days Meanwhile, whenever we are proceeding with the root canal treatment, that time we try to reduce down the upper surface of the tooth little bit, so that patient is not chewing on that side and it is not causing constant irritation. So once it is done, it is try and tested, RCT done is perfect, and now patient is not having any type of pain. After that, we remove that temporary filling and fill it with the permanent filling material like composite or tooth color material. You must have seen it. So usually once it is done, we advise patient for few crowns. Now that is one big chapter, why crowns are needed mostly after root canal treatment. In some cases, why it is not required, what to do if crowns are already there and the tooth is going for the root canal treatment, and what are the different types of crowns. So definitely I am going to discuss it in our next video with this same topic, so that you will get a bigger idea, bigger picture about what is the root canal treatment and what are the proceedings of the treatment. So keep watching. Bye bye, take care.